Okay, in this video I'm going to be introducing you to the Cursor.com website. I'm going to show you how much Cursor costs, how you sign up for an account, and how to get Cursor installed and set up on your own machine at a very high level. So as you can see, we're on the Cursor.com homepage here. From here you can go to any of these tabs that are across the top. We're going to have a look at pricing first of all. So in here you can see there are currently a few different tiers that you can choose from. It does have, if you've never used it before, it does have a free tier, and I'd advise you to use that first of all before you kind of commit. But even if you are ready to commit, it's not a huge investment to go for the pro level tier here. It's only $20 a month. There is obviously a more expensive ultra tier at $200 a month. Personally, I've been using the $20 a month tier for the past 6 months and it works out fine for me. I've never felt the need to go for the more expensive tier. So to start yourself off, go for free, and then when you're ready to really dive in, go for the $20 a month. To actually download Cursor, you would click on this button here, which for me is going to download Windows. You see it's download Windows. If you're on a Mac or on Linux, you will have other options here where you can go and download it. Then what you need to do is set yourself up with an account. So back to the Cursor.com homepage, you're going to click on sign in. Then you see down here, if you haven't signed up before, you need to go down here, click on sign up, and you can sign up with Google, GitHub, or Apple. Super simple. I already have an account, so I'm not going to sign up. I'm just going to sign in using my own account. Choose that one. And this takes me to my dashboard where I can see integrations and usage and billing and invoices and all that kind of stuff. We're not going to concentrate too much on that now. We're going to dive in and get going on our Cursor installation. Okay, from the Cursor.com homepage, to get yourself ready to go, you can, I would imagine for the OS that you're running, you'll have a button here that either says download for Windows, download for Linux, or download for Mac OS. If it doesn't have your operating system of choice, you can click on all downloads, and you can see here you can pick whichever one you want. The nice thing about Cursor is not only will it give you the latest version, but it'll also give you previous versions as well. Super handy for when you upgrade and you don't like what the upgrade is, you can roll yourself back to a previous version, which is super cool. Okay, from there, download, allow the download to finish, and then install it on your local machine. When it has finished installing, it's going to start up and it's going to look like this. So you can see we have the option to sign in here. We have the option to open a project, clone a project, or connect via SSH. So I do believe you can open a project without actually signing in, but for the purposes of this demo, I'm going to actually sign in using my account. And it brings me to the Cursor website, asking me if I want to log in. I'm going to say yes. All set, free to return to Cursor. So we'll bring that back up. And you can see now the difference is here. You can see I've signed in. I'm on the Pro account, the $20 a month account. So that sign up has disappeared. And from here, you are ready to go. So from here, you can, like I said, you can open a project if you wish. I have a bunch of things in here that I have built using Cursor, a whole bunch. You can, if you wish, if you're familiar with GitHub, you can clone a GitHub repo and pull that code down and work on that. Or you can connect via SSH to pull code from somewhere that is not GitHub. So that's it. That's Cursor account setup. That is installing it, and that is logging in on your Cursor application. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.